Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. You are signed into iCloud with the Apple ID used on the lost device. Once done, make sure Find My iPhone and Send Last Location are enabled in Settings. These allow live tracking and a final location before battery dies. Now open the Find My app on another iPhone or iPad or go to iCloud. Com on a computer. Sign in, because that's how Apple ties devices to your account. This identity link is what lets you locate the device securely. Next, you select the Devices tab and pick the missing item. This shows the device's last known or current position on the map. If nearby, tap play sound to find it quickly. If distant, choose directions to get turn-by-turn navigation or enable lost mode to lock the screen and display a contact message. This protects your data. You can also remotely erase the device if you believe it won't be recovered. But remember, erasing removes tracking capability, so use that as a last resort. To finish, keep monitoring the map and refresh occasionally. Locations update when the device goes online. If it's offline, enable Notify when found so you get an alert the moment it reconnects, and verify Send Last Location was recorded. If you can't see the device, make sure you signed into the correct Apple ID, that location services are enabled on the device, and that it has power or network access. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or contact Apple support for account-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.